boarding down the river.
You want to? I'm down.
Wait. In the sunset over there. Hey. Oh, okay, that's good.
Want to go down New Orleans, Sesh? Pull over for a second. I need to put my gloves on. Oh, you need to get gloves. I told you to grab your gloves. Didn't want to?
Think about it.
You want to grab them real quick?
No, you guys will be distracted. It'll be another 15 minutes.
Okay.
going straight?
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, tippy toes.
Huh?
Baby.
Yeah.
You can't touch the ground?
Oh boy. Tippy toes. Ready?
Yep.
Go. Keep going on the sidewalk, baby.
Dude, that guy got a Squid Game helmet.
Oh,
Yeah. That's fun. Hey, one day I'm gonna get one of those helmets.
yeah. Cool.
Actually, cool looking.
Nice view, huh?
Watch out for the pigeon! I'm on that pigeon. We're gonna run over a pigeon.
I think so, right?
Yeah. That's just for that. I don't care. What? What?
That van had a funny sign on it.
What did it say?
It said, deport every illegal.
The fort is ever illegal?
Deport every illegal. Like they want to send everyone who's here illegally back to their home country.
Wow.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah? Eli, what is this right here?
That's part of the water purification plant.
Huh. Do they still use it?
Yeah, I think so.
It's so old.
You could look into it. I don't really know too much about it, honestly.
Wow.
You should look into it when you get home.
That's the party bus we saw last time with the crazy lights in it. Remember? Yeah. Remember all those crazy party lights in it? That bus? It's like,
Oh, yeah.
is the tire low? Nope, it's not.
This side or the other side? Other side? Okay.
There's more writing.
Okay.
What's he doing?
Trying to find out where to go onto the sand.
No, What's going on over here? I don't remember this. New. Whoa, is that a sinkhole right there? Oh, that's actually cool looking.
Right?
Yeah. Dang. Let's do it. Whip it.
Ready?
Yeah. Don't think this thing is heavy.
Oh, camera? Oh, it fell off? Oh, okay. Here, go get it. Camera.
Oh, dude. Oh no. Yeah, we're good. Huh? Yeah, we got it. Huh? Oh, that's so good that it did not fall off on the road though. But maybe don't whip off that.
All right, let's go. Ready?
Yeah. Holy cow, that's sketchy. I can feel it like skidding out in the back. It's so sketchy. I've never been. Look at how pretty that is. Oh dang, people ride on here all the time, it looks. Right? Where are we going? It's pretty. Wow. Woo. Man. Good though, right? Yeah. Right, I'm saying like it's more controllable at fast. Why am I saying that fast? It just makes.
You got a lot of nice packed sand up here to ride on, huh?
Yeah. Still kind of sketchy though.
Okay.
Wait, what? Huh?
Okay.
Pelican. Woo! Oh, look, somebody's shoe. Dude, that's actually kind of weird that somebody's shoe is right there. Yeah. Weird. And this beach is pretty. Oh, yeah. Does anyone... Is it the one where that nobody owns? Huh?
Is what?
Is this like the beach nobody owned?
Well, it's like all the beaches are like part of the state. They're run by the state.
Oh man, big tide. Oh yeah, let's go under, guys, let's go under the bridge. Oh, that's not good. Hey, Eli, what is that floating down the river?
Where?
Oh, that's just a bird. I thought it was like a dead dog. Oh, it looks like. Whoa. Oh, I just realized the tides are low. Dang. Wait, let's get off the bike right here, Eli.
Want to get off the bike?
Yeah. Let's see. Want to walk around? Dang. Oh, yeah, I'm getting off. You guys, whip down it, Eli.
Oh my god. This is so thick.
Is
Right.
Ryder on the back?
No, he's over there.
Why?
He hopped off.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Why?
because he wanted to hang out on the beach. Uh-oh, we might be stuck here.
Yeah, this isn't very padded.
Okay, let's go back that way. Oh shit. What's that? No, let me see.
It's like riding in snow.
It is, dude. It's so tough. Kicking sand everywhere. Where you going?
Do I need a big bruise?
Yeah, totally. Dude, it's like caking all over. It's like it caked all over the back of the bike. We should definitely go to the car wash after this. So funny.
It's fun riding down here.
I know, I like it. Ryder exploring with this GoPro.
Look, look at that. Oh my god, it feels so nice. Oh my god, best thing ever.
Damn it. You got me twice. Oh no, your camera's facing all the way down.
Oh,
Yeah, let me see.
oh no.
Oh no, it's been recording the whole time too.
No.
It's all good, let me see. I'll tighten it back down. Oh yeah? Dude, let's go check it out. Yeah, let's go hang out with them. Here, come here, Ryder.
You can hang out with
I'm
somebody?
not gonna hang out with them.
Well, not literally. I'm just saying, like, let's go see what they're up to. Is that a good angle or no?
Or you want me to put on my helmet?
Here, you want to hop on, Ryder?
Actually, no. No, I just want to be on this stand.
Okay. All right, hop on. Hop on.
Don't. Oh, do you got my seat on?
Oh, there.
Okay, you hold it for now.
Okay, hold it. Here, should put it right there so it shows us. Oh, you want to hold it with your hand? Okay, here you go. All right, where'd you want to go? That way?
Oh, be careful, dude. Oh, no. Oh my God. Can't see nothing.
Oh, yeah, you want to hand to your mom?
No, I'm fine. I'm doing this right now.
If I clip it on her helmet. You want to try that? Clip it on your helmet?
Yeah, Mom.
Let me see, Noah.
How do you do that, Ryder?
His helmet's like a little flatter.
I'll just hold it.
No, let me just hold it, Mom. I got it.
Well, then let me just get one of you guys going this way so I get some video of you.
Oh, check it out. There's a dirt bike.
I told you.
Don't want to rip a wheel.
There's a Ryder on the back.
Yeah. What?
I want to jump off that step up. Here, Ryder.
Here, record both of us. I want to do it right after.
You can do it. Don't be wuss. Hey, we're gonna watch them jump. Guys, warning! This sand is very soft.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to work
You
actually.
had been warned. Dude, hit it! Come on!
Look, the dirt bikes are coming down.
What way? He's doing it. Oh, cow. No, dude. He's doing it. He's doing it, guys. He's doing it. Oh, he's just trying to wheelie it.
Hey. Everybody switch bikes with me real quick. I want to try that one.
Oh, look at that.
I know, right? Okay.
Oh, you don't have a thing on that one?
I know, I have a kickstand. It's just going to sink into the sand. Hey.
Okay.
It's on. It's like in gear. It's hard to keep it though. It's like really hard to keep the throttle right. You want to? I'm down.
Not a bad idea, but I do
Yeah. A lot of people went here. A lot of people went to Jetty. And also, it's gonna get way
I know, I just don't know how we'll get him back.
No, we just came down on this side of it. We're gonna go back over and probably take it all the way down here. But trying to get wheelies on the sand is tough.
How do you like that thing?
Oh, it's a blast. Yeah, they're both so much fun, dude. Super cool.
I want to try that.
What are you guys riding?
Fine.
What are these things? Mercs?
They're the Mervs.
Yeah?
Company out of St. Committee.
Nice,
Very
yeah.
cool.
Can I ask him if I could try his bike?
No.
If I would have known better, we would have got 4 of those. It's easier to load and carry around.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. They look pretty torquey too. Wanna hop on with Mamacita?
No, with you, man.
What?
With you.
With me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, Eli, you know what I need to get? I need to get my dirt bike glasses.
Yeah?
I need to get
Let me
them.
try one more wheel here.
Alright. Ah, what is this? What do you mean?
This one's the, oh, that one? That's an Ultra Bee. Yeah, I mean, they're kind of similar. It's just a little bit bigger, but they're like kind of the same power. Yeah. Yeah, they're a blast though. Definitely recommend them. All right, ready? Yeah. Don't worry. Oh, it's that's as tight as it's gonna get right there. Hold on a second. Let's see something. Okay, come here.
Oh no. Oh, okay.
It's all right.
Huh?
Good. All right, here. Straight back with your mom. I'll hold this for your mom.
Oh yeah. I wish I had my shirt on.
Hey, righty boy.
Don't call me that.
Righty boy.
Please don't. Get all the dust off this.
Good.
Oh my god.
See, we gotta put a little tab on this. We can actually mount it, huh? Let me see. $447. Yeah, I know. Dude, that would corrode the shit out of all that stuff there.
I'm not looking to get wet.
I wouldn't do it.
Yeah. Okay, Eli, go up that easy, okay?
Well, we kind of have to go hard so that it goes
Okay.
over the sand.
I'll hold the camera.
All right.
Woo! Sketchy! Oh, we jumped it, I think. Oi, 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 oi!
Hop off.
Mama, sick for my.
Hey, hop off so I can get it up on the table.
Okay. Dang, that looked easy. I could have just been on it.
Yeah, hit pretty hard. All right, good.
Wait, got a camera? Good.
Good. I got a license plate just totally caked.
Huh?
Look at all the sand on the license plate.
Hey, that's a kind of good thing though. If she gets caught by the
That's true, right?
cops,
Didn't think about
she
that.
ain't gonna get the license plate protected.
Good point. Yeah, do you want to go down on the other side and then go all the way to the pier?
Yeah, true, man.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It would still be pretty loose to that point, but we could probably do it.
Yeah, just please don't crash. I do not want to be soaked in sand. I already fell once. And also, yes, I did drop the camel in the water for just a millisecond. Yeah.
Waterproof.
Huh?
So that's fine, they're waterproof.
Then why do they sometimes have water cases?
Oh, because that's like for diving. You can use them to go diving, but for that you need it to be like extra waterproof because it's under pressure. Maybe.
What happened?
I don't know. What do you think? I'm down to try it. You are?
Yeah, we should try it.
Okay, let's do it.
Dude, I got sand in my shoes. So bummed. I got sand in my shoes. Sand in my shoes. Oh yeah, sand in the
Let's descend it across this to get down.
Should I be on the bike? I'm looking now.
What do you think? Yeah?
I'm do not
All
want.
right, I'll follow you, Mama Tita. All right, grab on tight, okay?
Oh, great. Oh God! Ah! Okay.
Woo!
like in Pismo by Santa Barbara.
Yeah, but the motors overheat really fast when it's in the sand like that. But yeah, if we had like, if we upgraded the motor on that one, yeah, for sure. Yeah, they make like, we could get sand paddle tires for them too, yeah. That'd be cool.
Wait, want me to do it? I got my phone.
You got it?
Yeah. Want me to do it?
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Hopefully, we don't get kicked off the beach. I think we could probably get kicked from the beach goers or something, whatever they call them.
I will. How long is it? I think it's still recording.
Yeah, not a lot of people on the beach today. Yeah. For the Super Bowl.
A lot of people seem to do this with all the bike tracks down here.
Yeah. But they're skinny bikes.
Yep.
But everybody got
Oh yeah.
skinny.
Go ride right through the middle of it. That'd be so cool.
Look at all those birds. Holy cow. If mom does it, we're gonna get viral on TikTok. Holy cow, that's like the most pelicans I ever seen in one area. Holy cow. Holy moly, mom. Wow. A lot of stuff happening on this ride, right? Hello, pelican. Whoa, it's pretty.
I think we scared him.
Huh?
I think I scared him.
I know, it's pretty. Be a good picture frame. Dang, those are red right there. Oh, never mind, pussies. Never mind. Dang, this is the top speed of a bird right now. Oh yeah, look at that. Look, wait. There's a sunset over there. Oh, half fire, half sunset.
Pretty hot.
Huh?
Pretty hot.
Yeah. Is that like smoke fire or something?
What?
Is that smoke fire? What's up, guys? What's that?
They're like flying with us. They're so cool.
What is that? Guys, what is that rainbow saying right there in the sky?
Oh, it's a rainbow, yeah. That is a rainbow. That's what that rainbow thing is.
What is that?
There. You see the rainbow?
That's really weird. Yeah, clouds are like made of water, but like, I didn't know they could make rainbows. in sky, floating at least 100,000 feet. Why did their feet walk so fast?
That's some really loose sand there.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh man. The last sand was loose.
I think the wider tires. It's the wider tires. Honestly, like, I should just put the dirt tires back on that bike and just kind of leave them on. Oh, maybe not. Super pretty.
Oh look, a chair! Dude, Eli, this
Oh, yeah, sure.
Dude, should we get that out? I wonder how that happened. Probably fell off a cruise ship, right?
Maybe. What's that out there? All those buoys? See them?
Yeah. Why are there buoys out there? That's real weird. Man, look, a surfer. Wait, I think that marks like a surfer area, maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. Actually, hey babe, it might be easier if we pass the pier.
Yeah.
It might be easier if we go past the pier to where the trail like jets out a little bit there, you know what I'm talking about? Hey, I don't know. Plus it'd be kind of cool to ride. You what?
Oh, look, a sandcastle. I wonder if that like smoke, like remaining smoke from the Los Angeles fire. Oh, look, somebody.
People having beach fires.
Huh?
The fire smell is just for people having beach fires. Small fires on the beach.
Yeah, but I'm saying like, oh, look, the pelicans are there with the line.
Land in formation.
Yeah. Oh, they're landing. Is somebody yelling at us? What? Oh man. Do you have to stand? Do I have to?
See where the path is.
Oh man, oh my. Oh my, oh dude, my shoes, oh no. Dude, oh man. What, get off? Because I love that job. And no, I'm not being a wuss. I just do not want to fall. I think we got this. Dang, we're kicking on the wrong side, but I think we got this.
Nice.
Woo! Yeah, is that Huntington?
Well done.
Dang, that was easy work. Woo!
Good job,
Yeah.
That was easy, yeah. Super easy.
Dude.
That's like a whole new option for getting to Newport. I'm not even kidding. Like,
Right, yeah.
just pop out on the sand here and ride on the sand all the way to Newport. Why not?
Yeah, better than ride on the road, but yeah, I'm kind of rather ride on the road though. More safer, if you think.
Like riding on the road?
Yeah. Fun. Oh.
My heart is full.
waiting for it to get hard, and I was like, okay.
What is for, Eli?
The card's on the SD card on my GoPro. So yours is the only GoPro recording.
I I'm surprised.
Yeah, that was super easy. What? I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of down to just stop by the Frog's car wash if you want real quick and just kind of hit it with some soap too.
Yeah, let's hit our bikes with some
You cool with
soap. Should I stop recording right now? Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording.
Stop recording?
Yeah,
keep
and
going.
huh?
Keep recording because we'll record us washing them when we get to the thing. Yeah, you want to hit the crosswalk button?
You sure? Yeah, good idea.
Wait.
Yeah, that was fun though. And also, you know what isn't fun? Mom not giving me new shoes. Dang, that thing has got some torque in it. Bumpy, what?
Bumpy.
Something about that? Very bumpy.
Bumping and grinding?
Yeah. Hey, I help wash bike.
Yeah.
Yay. Ooh, got some beachy music.
Alright.
Ooh, man, this is dirty. It's like the gun. Is this your hat, Mom? Yep, so. No more time. Just down, baby, goodbye. Get the light. Get the light, Eli. Get the light. Get the light right here, man. Aw, man. Next time the camera will stop falling when we're recording, okay? You know what I've been trying to do? I've been trying to say hi I've been trying to see how many street bikers can wave their hand at me. Like say hi to me.
All the bikers were waving at you.
Yeah. Dog beef.
Hey, thanks, man. Have a good one. Right.
Yeah.
Still recording?
Yep. Well, we should post this on YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.